Hello, today I said I'm going to show you how to fix the error the code execution cannot proceed because ffmpeg.dll was not found. This error typically occurs when a program, often a media app or game, can't find the ffmpeg.dll file, which is essential for handling audio and video playback. It's usually caused by a missing or corrupted installation. Let's get started. Step 1. Restart your computer. Close all open programs and applications. Restart your computer. After restarting, check if the issue is resolved. Sometimes a simple restart can fix missing DLL issues. Step 2. Run System File Checker SFC. Open the search menu and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command, SFC scanow. Press Enter to execute the command. Wait for the scan to complete. Once done, close the command prompt and restart your computer. That sets it. Now you know how to fix the ffmpeg.dll was not found error on your Windows computer. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.